Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This video is about how you can see and monitor your Facebook page from your Android mobile phone, and these things can be possible with a simple apps which is Creator Studio. Here it is. I have already installed it and it catches in total of 428 MB. This apps is only 342 MB and data is 84.72 MB. So you guys can find it on basically just search here Creator Studio. Here it is, and then just install it. So I have installed it in my previous time in it launches an update, but in this tutorial I am going to see the so here it is. You guys can see about your page, and our page is happy earning. So it has, this is my page performance, that means it is my dashboard, and it has 0 minute view. The page is now off, and I'm going to use this page for your tutorial. So if I search in for the past 90 days, then that is 39 minutes. If I can also search for 28 days, 14 days, 7 days, or also for the yesterday and today, that means running real time. So it is, and this is my home page. This is the post and schedules I have already published in my page. That is, there is some post, there is some videos also. Yeah, I can schedule any post, like I post this from now, and it will be upload and 6 p.m. or another time when I scheduled it. Also there are some draft posts, like suddenly I'm typing something and my phone will be shut down, then the draft mode helps me a lot. Here it is, the inbox, like if someone interested to talk to you through your page, then they will text you and you can simply answer from here. So it is, and this is notification, like somebody likes your any other post or comments there, then you can also get the notification here. You don't have to use the Facebook app. On this Creator Studio helps you most to know another something like monitor your Facebook page very much. You, it will be very helpful for you, also it will be very helpful for me too, and I think this tutorial helps you a lot. Another thing, if you want to change your page, like you have 2 or 3 Facebook pages in your Facebook profile, then by logging in your profile you can see all of that, like this is happy earning, this is home delivery service, and this is Sundarban cyclist. So it depends on you that how many pages you have. And also if you want to change your Facebook account, then just go to this setting option and then log out, because the previous account should be log out and the next account should be log in. So I'm going to log out this is, and then if you want to log in another account, then just simply type your email and then type your password. So this is, but I already saved my mail password, so I am going to simply continue as Sanjida Yasmin and just log in my account. It depends on you. You can also save the access, like login access, and my there is some other pages also, like home delivery service, Jal Naksha by Khushida, Bhroman Shriti, and travel memories. Bhroman Shriti is now my running page, and this has 1.1k minutes in the last 7 days. You guys can see this is also running. And if I say the insights mode, this is the insights mode, then the insights show a graph, like here we can see minute viewed, 1 minute viewed, video engagements. It depends on you that what you want to know, like 3 seconds video has 67 views. Okay, then if I go to see more, then more some metrics will show here, and this is the dashboard. You guys can see there are many more videos here. So it depends on you that what you want to find here, but or what you want to do. So here is the message, but nobody messages in my this page. I hope this video will help you. And till then, assalamu alaikum. Take care.